Yeah, what's good YouTube, man? I'm back with another video, but today, y'all, I'm finna be showing y'all how to get curly hair in less than 10 minutes, you feel me? This intro ain't finna be too long, let's get straight to the point. Alright, boom, I'm finna show y'all what y'all finna begin with, and then I'm gonna show y'all what y'all finna end with, you feel me? I'm finna take the do-rag off in 3. Now, before that, make sure you give me a like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on post notifications, and I'm finna take the do-rag off in 3, 2, 1, the moment of truth. Jeez, well look, this is why you do not get lazy. Never mind, I ain't even finna go into detail about this. I'm gonna get straight to the point. I'm gonna show y'all the products y'all need, and then I'm gonna get straight to the video. Alright, boom, you know how I'm looking and stuff like that, but basically the products that y'all need, I got some new products. I don't really use a lot of products like that no more. Use this as your conditioner, you can use this every day. You feel me? Y'all can use whatever products y'all use. I'm just showing y'all the products I use, just in case y'all wanna use them before I get in the shower and stuff like that. This is like the, I use this as my curling cream because like it does the same thing basically. And I use this to like get a glow in my hair, 100% coconut oil. And now I'm gonna hop in the shower and I'm gonna get with y'all when I get there. I already know how I get with these voiceovers, you feel me? But boom, so you see me right here. First thing first you wanna do is add a bunch of water to your hair, especially if your hair was really dry like mine. Y'all heard why my hair was really dry. But basically you wanna add a lot of water to your hair and just get it to the scalp. You see me trying to get to the scalp because you feel me, like the scalp is where your hair grow from, you feel me? So you need to make sure your scalp is clean. My hair was clean, but it was really matted because I put a do-rag on after I shampooed it, you feel me? But basically, you just want to get a lot of water through. You see me getting a lot of water in my hair, trying to make sure that it's moisturized, because you can't have curls. All the products and all that help, but you gotta have water in your hair to get the curls popping, you feel me? So that's the first thing. You need a lot of water in your hair. Without water, you need moisturization. Without water, it's not going, you feel me, curl up. But boom, that's the leave-in conditioner that I use. It's a conditioner. You can use it every day. You know what I'm saying? You can use it every day. A picture gonna pop up right about now. There you go. But basically, you want to squirt it like 3 times and then rub it together and rake it back and forth. Just rake it back and forth. Make sure you kind of get to the scalp a little bit with it. You feel me? Because it does clean your hair. It is a co-wash, and you can use it daily. You already know you want to take the cold shower though. You must take a cold shower. I'm not saying you must, but it will help a lot. Boost your immune system. Make your hair glow more and good stuff like that if you into all that, you feel me? I just wanted to let y'all know, like, I look kind of cold because I'm taking a cold shower, but I be doing it so much now to the point where I'm used to it a little bit. But let me get back on topic. So boom, you want to make sure that it's all the way through your hair. I'm gonna get it all the way in your hair, you feel me? You look some in my eye right there. Then next item you want to get is your curling cream. You can get your curling cream. I don't personally use curling cream. I use a squirt curling cream. Now this is a curling cream. The picture gonna pop up like right about now. You want to use it. If you get this product, you just want to squirt it on your hair. You don't want to put it in your hands then rub it. Yeah, I did that at the beginning if you seen me. But yeah, you want to like squirt it on your hair before you just put it in your hand. But then you want to get a coconut oil. So basically, don't gotta be coconut oil, but I use coconut oil. It could be like an eco styling gel. I don't use that no more because it flaked my hair. But boom, I use the coconut oil to help your hair shine. It's 100% natural. You know what I'm saying? And it got a bunch of benefits. You can look them up. I think they help your hair a lot and stuff like that. And you want to rake it back and forth. You feel me? Rake it back and forth like any other product. And this is where the curls about to come in at. You just want to shake your hair. You have to shake your hair, but if you don't have enough hair to shake your hair, then you want to rake it back and forth. But if you have a lot of hair, or if you have enough hair to shake, then shake it left, right, and stuff like that. But if you don't, then rake it back and forth. But basically, you know what I'm saying? That's basically it. Hey, basically that's the end of the video. I'm gonna show y'all some pictures of it when it's dry. And yeah, have a good day. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on post notifications, and I'm out.